If you like the content in our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notifications, and we'll keep the videos coming. Right now we have something really special in front of us. It's the 2021 Benz G 63 AMG. You have to excuse the video, it's a little tight in here, but I'll do the best I can. Has front end collision damage to the left front. Right fender looks okay. The hood is repairable, has a little damage here. It's an aluminum hood. This can be reworked and fixed. Left headlight is busted. The bumper guard is damaged. The grille is damaged. Front bumper is damaged. Radiator and condenser looks good. Let's take a look under the hood. Left fender is damaged. There's some damage to the apron right here. It does start. There's no damage to the engine compartment. Radiator support looks pretty good. Just the apron on this side, left fender. Insurance company paid out over $220,000. The windshield is good. Windshield is $4,000 brand new from the dealer. That's a big plus. So try to get a side shot over here. That cooler needs to be replaced. You have some damage here also. The left front suspension has some damage. Left doors are straight. Need a running board on this side. Let's walk around the car. Need a left rear driver's side quarter glass. Quarter panel has some damage. This looks like it can be repaired. That can definitely be saved. The rear flare, you can save that as well. Rear bumper has a scuff on it. We used a spare tire for the left front. So the vehicle does start, it does drive in the yard. Let's walk around. This side's nice, it's in good shape. Don't see any signs of damage. Doors line up real nice. Running board is square. Right fender is intact also. Take a look inside. Interior is beautiful on this truck. It's got every option you can imagine. These trucks have really improved over the year. Look how sharp this interior is. Comment below, let me know what you think of this interior. I think it's great. One of the nicest ones I've seen. Airbags are good. I believe only one curtain airbag is out on the right. I believe the right front here. Yeah, this one's out. Other than that, all the airbags are intact. Let's take a look at the back seats. Really nice. You got carbon fiber. Cross-stitch leather, two-tone. Get the suede headliner. Here's a spare tire cover in the back. Really nice truck. It's the only one on the market right now. Nobody else has one salvage vehicle industry or repairable car industry right now. We're the only ones that have it. There's also a wait list at the dealers for new model G63. Cannot find them anywhere. Call us if you're interested. Thanks for watching.